Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to increase FPS in LDPlayer. Full Guide 2026 so you can enjoy smoother gameplay and reduce lag on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and click the settings icon. Go to the Performance tab and increase CPU cores and RAM allocation. For most PCs, setting 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM gives better FPS stability. Next, open Display Settings. Change resolution to 1280 by 720 and set DPI to medium. Lower resolution reduces system load and instantly improves FPS during gameplay. Now go to Graphics Settings. Select OpenGL rendering mode first, since it usually provides higher FPS. If performance is unstable, switch to DirectX and restart LDPlayer to test which works better. After that, enable high FPS mode and set frame rate to 60 FPS.